Practice scientific notation. We're going to be doing more scientific notation here. When it says expand, we're going to take this and get it out of scientific notation. So just like you did on the other page, you're going to move the decimal place 2 places to the right because we want our number to get bigger because we know it's supposed to be greater than 1. So we're going to make this bigger. Here it says convert to SN, means convert to scientific notation, which just means what you were doing before, move the decimal until there is one number in front of the decimal point that is not a 0, and then count up the number of places you had to move the decimal point and use that as the times 10 to the power of. The only ones you haven't really done are these that say correct. So it says correct 8443 times 10 to the negative 5th. What you're going to do is ignore the times 10 to the whatever that it gives you. So ignore this for right now. Just concentrate on 8443. So I'm going to take 8443 and I'm going to put that in scientific notation. Since the decimal will be at the end, since there is no decimal, I need to move it 1, 2, 3 places to get 8.443 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3 times 10 to the third. So 8.443 times 10 to the third. After I've done that part, where I've said, okay, now I know that 8443 becomes 8.443 times 10 to the third. Now I go back and pick up this times 10 to the negative 5th. So 8.443 times 10 to the third times 10 to the negative 5th. That's where I bring that from. So when I have this, it's 8.443 times 10 to the third times 10 to the negative 5th. Powers of 10 add together. 3 plus negative 5 is negative 2. So the correct answer for this question is right here, 8.443 times 10 to the negative second. So on this one, when you correct this, move the decimal over until you have one number before the decimal. That'd be 3.567 times 10 to the whatever power you move it. And then do times 10 to the 5th. And you just have to add your powers together once you get them. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.